Hello, good day everyone. So today is 4th of December 2023. So my name is Henry Yun. So I'm going to show you a simple API demo, which is provide the value for the co-branding to the service provider. So in other words, it's actually for those white glove service. So the service provider can purchase or partner with the vendor Vonage and then provide those kind of customer portal or maybe provide those kind of services. So there are two parts of the demo. So the first part of the demo is using the Python API to provide the user management, to provide something like maybe the user account balance checking, and also can show what are the PSTN telephone number the user already own. And at the same time, also can use the API to check the available telephone number to be purchased as well. So the second part of the demo is actually using the Node.js to provide a simple voice menu, or maybe people also call it IVR, interactive voice menu, voice response. So I set up the IVR in US, then I will use a Singapore number to call, and we'll be able to hear the welcome message and also hear a few voice menu options as well. Okay, so let's start to do the first demo, which is using the Python API. So on the right-hand side, I already opened up a console. Okay, so I just quickly to show you the result. So I want to show you all three in one command. Okay, so it show up is the account balance, and also I own two number in the United States. Then at the last one is actually they show the available number I can purchase as well. So this is actually the same setting you will be able to find it from the portal as well. The balance is €10.17, and then the number that I own it should be the two number here. Yeah, exactly the same. The last two digits is 26 and 72. Okay, so this is just a quick demo. So what I did is actually um, I I use the batch file to run a few Python script together. Okay, so if I want to run one by one, so it will take some times. So let's say I want to do the first one. I want to get the balance. Okay, so it will run the Python. I will be able to get the €10.17. What if I want to know the my number? Okay, so Python not my message, my USA number. Okay, so you will be able to show it individual as well. So this is just a quick demo to showcase the Python API. Okay, so now I quickly move to the second demo, which is the Node.js. Okay, so on another console, I already set up a webhook. Okay, so to connect it, my PC to the Vonage platform. Okay, so let's quickly to start the Node program. So I have to go into the Node and then the IVR and then the Node. I think it's index.js. Okay, great, perfect. Okay, so now the next step is actually I'm using my mobile, and then we'll call to the hotline number, which is um, 1 201 972 and 6072. Okay,
Welcome to Henry Ewan's Vonage IVR. Please press 1 to hear the current date, or 2 to play audio. Press any other key to hear these options again.
okay, so this is the simple voice menu. So you will be able to hear I call to the number after auto answer, then you play the greeting at the same time, give me three different voice menu option. So just want to quickly to check is it correct? Okay, so from is actually from my Singapore number here, 88464283. And then two is actually to the hotline number in United States. So you see 1201972260072. Okay, so then these are the debug message. And also the timestamp. Okay, you may find something interesting because when I start off, I say today is 4th of December, but how come the timestamp is actually still on the 3rd of December? So, okay, the reason is most of the, I think the log or those kind of timestamp used in the industries actually using the UTC, or maybe some people call it GMT. So the time difference between Singapore and UK actually is 8 hours. So it's GMT or UTC plus 8. So that's why right now, even though it's a 7:45 early morning in Singapore, but actually it's still in the late evening in UK or London. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.